Welcome to our channel. Today we how to log into Bluehost. Access hosting control panel step by step clearly. Open your web browser on your computer or phone. In the address bar, type bluehost.com and press enter. On the top right corner of the page, click the login button. Choose the login option that matches your account, usually Bluehost login. In the username or email field, enter the email address you used when you purchased Bluehost. In the password field, type your Bluehost account password carefully. If you forgot your password, click Forgot Password and follow the reset instructions. If you use two-factor authentication, enter the verification code sent to your phone or Authenticator app. Click Login to access your Bluehost dashboard. Wait until the account dashboard loads completely. Look for the left side navigation menu inside the dashboard. Click Hosting to view your hosting plan and server options. Find the website or domain you want to manage in the hosting area. Click the Manage button next to the correct site or hosting plan. On the management page, locate the button labeled cPanel or Control Panel. Click cPanel or Control Panel to open the Hosting Control Panel interface. If you see a security warning about opening a new tab, allow it to continue. If the control panel opens in a new tab, switch to that tab to proceed. Confirm you are in the right place by checking for tools like File Manager, email accounts, and databases. To manage website files, click File Manager and select the public_HTML folder for your main site. To manage emails, click Email Accounts and then Create, Edit, or Access Webmail as needed. To manage databases, click MySQL Databases and create a database and user if your site requires it. To install WordPress, find WordPress or website section and use the installer provided by Bluehost. If you cannot find cPanel, use the search bar in the dashboard and type cPanel or Control Panel. If login fails, double-check your email, password, and keyboard language or caps lock settings. If your account is new, verify your email address and complete any setup prompts shown by Bluehost. For extra security, log out when finished by clicking your profile icon and selecting Log Out. Bookmark the Bluehost login page so you can access it faster next time. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.